Which court should you start practicing from? In which area should you practice? Who should you join? Should you start from the trial court or should you start from the High Court and the Supreme Court? These are all questions that are hard to understand, especially when you're starting on your own. Once I figured out all these questions by myself, the moment I started practicing, I realized that there is a world of difference between what's taught to us at law school and the actual practice in the courts.
Is why litigation, right? Why is litigation a good career option? Is it a good career option? And what should you be thinking before making that choice for yourself? Is litigation for you? Not just is litigation good in general, but is litigation for you? And how could one possibly look at this particular question, right?
I hope that young law students who are now desirous of joining litigation and young lawyers are able to start litigation with an edge and that they're able to better plan and be better prepared for their litigation career. If this is something that interests you, please do check out all the details of this course here in the link below.